Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen again. Welcome back after a wonderful, wonderful half term. Clearly looking on Tapestry, lots and lots of you have had a wonderful, wonderful half term. Lots of relaxing going on, lots of reading and just enjoying the wonderful, wonderful sunshine. But it's really then lovely to see how much work has then gone on and on Tapestry just in this very, very short period this week since half term. It has been amazing. And so again, obviously this morning we've got our shout out assembly ready. It's Friday the 5th of June for nursery reception year 1 and year 2. And then of course the golden ticket winners, and those children have been working so hard. We're going to kick off this morning with our nursery stars, and you'll see all these stars. You've got Mason, you've got Matilda, Kylo, you've got Emily, you've got Georgia, Charlotte, Harley, Ava, Elizabeth, Keely and Willow. All of those children working so hard and really independently and really trying their best to do as much as they possibly can. You can see them all, really smiley faces as well. That's what Mr. Allen says every week. It's really lovely to see so many smiling faces while you're all working so hard and so feverishly. It's brilliant, brilliant. So please do keep it up, nursery. Fantastic. Thank you, mums and dads. Thank you for posting on Tapestry. It is amazing. But the golden ticket this week in nursery goes to Lily. Well done, Lily. You'll see, look at that. A huge thank you as well to you. Nice big smiley face there. Looking there with your dolly and doing all your work and then being so good. But this, you really well deserved, hun. So well done, Lily. Fantastic effort. Look out for this. This should be coming in the post today. So look out for the postman. It should come today and you should be able to get it today in the post. And there's an envelope with your name on it. Ready. Look out for it. Very well done, Lily. You absolute superstar. Congratulations. Moving on to reception. And you'll see, look at this turtle class. Look at these stars. Look at these superstars. You've got Beatrix, you've got Kaden, you've got Lily, Noah, Rebecca, Scarlett, Jack, Sophie, Tasnim, and Toby. Again, all working so hard. Really hard all the way through. You see all that work that you guys are doing. And lots of smiley faces, lots of smiley faces throughout. Everyone throughout the turtle class are having a whale of a time doing all the work, getting outside, getting some exercise as well. Really lovely to see. But golden ticket this week goes to turtle class. Noah! Noah, well done, buddy. It's fantastic. I'm loving your Star Wars outfit there. Congratulations with your certificate as well. Congratulations for this, though. Look out for this. The postman should deliver this today to you. So look out for it. It'll have your name on it. It's winging its way to you in the post very shortly. Huge congratulations. You've been working so hard. Lots and lots of hard work. Lots and lots on Tapestry. So thank you so much. Keep it up, buddy. Well done. Moving on to shark class. Let's have a look in shark class. Look at these superstars. Look, we've got Alex, you've got Woody, you've got Ben, Eliza, Savannah, Logan, and Casey May. And again, lots and lots. You see Logan up there reading, Ben's doing the writing there. You've got Alex there doing her maths and doing her counting with the maths and money. Eliza as well doing her reading. Just everyone working so hard. Casey May doing a nice bit of artwork as well. Guys, you are doing superb. Savannah, look at Savannah. No stabilizers. Amazing, Savannah, riding your bike. I couldn't believe it. That was brilliant. From someone in reception riding their bike. It's so good to see. So well done, all of you. Please keep up that amazing work. But golden ticket goes to this week. Olivia! Look, there she is. Absolute superstar. Working hard there, doing all of hers as well. And working really hard and spotting the differences and spotting the pairs. So really good. And I was really impressed with how much is appearing on Tapestry. Look out for this. This should come in the post today to you, so do look out for it. It will have your name on it. Look after it. Look out for it. Let's see a nice photo of you on Tapestry with your golden ticket, please, Olivia. Well done, hun. Really well done. Right, moving on to year 1. Here we go. Look, Miss Ruffles. Look at these superstars. You've got Jordan, Mohammed, Muntaha, Tyler, Rebecca, Ruby, Cooper, Omo, Sky, Rosie, and Cece. All working so hard. Ruby there, learning to play the piano. Amazing. All of you get Tyler getting out there for some exercise and relaxation, especially over half term. That's what Mr. Allen said. Get out, relax, have a chill out, try and enjoy the half time, try and do hard. He clearly was there. Lots and lots of you really working so hard. Lots of reading, lots of writing, and lots of getting outside and enjoying the weather. So really well done. I know Miss Ruffle was so impressed with every single one of you, especially this week where you've picked up that work again. But the golden ticket this week goes to Oliver! There he is, working so hard. Oliver, you absolute superstar. You are posting all the time. Lots of really smiley faces. And here you go, working really hard, doing your word search. It's just fantastic. A little bit of a crossword actually going on there, but superb, Oliver. Really well done. Well deserved. This should come in the post today, so look out for the postman. It's got your name on it. Put it somewhere safe. Keep hold of it. See a nice photo on tapestry with you with your golden ticket. Well done, Oliver. Really proud of you, buddy. Fantastic work. Moving on to Spaggins class. Here we go. Look at these superstars. We've got Jacob. We've got Mia May, Ramin, Olivia, Lily, Esma, Robbie, Ramin, Alfie, Casper, Rosie, and Gabby. You just so much work. Miss Beckham was so impressed with how much work has gone on in this week, straight after half term. Lots of smiley faces again. Really working so hard and posting so much on tapestry. Thank you, mums and dads. Well done, children, because you're absolute superstars. But the golden ticket goes to none other than Perla! Well done, Perla, you superstar. Working so hard, lovely smiley face. So much work you're putting on there, Perla. Every single day you are working, you're posting something on there. It's so lovely to see. This is so well deserved. Look out for this. Postman's coming today, as I've said for everyone else. Look out for it, hun. It's got your name on it, so please, let's see a photo on tapestry with you with your golden ticket. Really well deserved, hun. So proud of you. Well done. Moving on. We're on to year 2 now. Here we go. Miss Howkins, superstars. Look at this. Look at Regan, Mahir, Mia, Savannah, Millie, Lexi, Joseph, and Milana. The writing, look at Mahir and Milana's writing. Absolutely phenomenal bit of writing going on there. Mia, you're working all the time. You've got Joseph there at the beach, enjoying the weather, enjoying this half term, which is exactly what we said, okay? Thank you, Regan. Nice smiley face there, along with Millie, okay? Lots of you working out, doing the time, and it's lovely to see. And as I said previously, what time is it? Well, it's golden ticket time. The golden ticket for Miss Howkins goes to Jakisha. Jakisha, you superstar, absolutely brilliant. You can see every single photo, she is smiling. Look at her, really concentrating on it. But all of your work, every single post you put on there, Jakisha, you are smiling. You are working so hard. It's really lovely to see. You have so earned this. Well done, hun. You've been working so hard. It's coming in the post to you today, so look out for it. It should have your name on it. So put it somewhere safe and let's see a nice photo of you with this up on tapestry as well. Huge congratulations, Jakisha. Keep up the fantastic work. Moving on, finally, to Mrs. Cook's class. Look at these. You've got Abe, you've got Lila Jade, Diego, Willow, Cleo, Thea, Marshall, and Tilly, all again working so hard. Really, absolutely feverishly. Mrs. Cook was so impressed with every single one of you, and just keep it up, keep posting on there, keep smiling. Lovely smiley faces, because it just makes me smile, it just cheers me up as well. But final golden ticket this morning goes to Lila Jade. Really well done, Lila. You absolute superstar. Look at that lovely rainbow. But I tell you, the biggest smile on all of your photos every single time. Thank you so much. It really does cheer me up. I know Mrs. Cook as well says that as well, but you are working so hard. This is coming to you today. Look out for the postman. Really well deserved. And like I said, it's lovely to see a photo of you on tapestry. Well done, RJ. Finally, from me, stay safe, stay well. I've got a bit on there about the next shout out and Golden Ticket Assembly. It was obviously Friday. At the moment, we are remaining closed until it is safe for everyone to be heading back. So please keep listening. I will keep testing out what the school is doing. But at present, we are remaining closed. We're just open to key workers and those children that we're inviting in at present. So please keep doing what you're doing at home at Tapestry with the children. Stay well, stay safe, and stay in. Bye-bye for now, everyone.